Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 4, 2022. Today's video is about Sheldonian Theatre. The Sheldonian Theatre is a theatre in Oxford, England, designed by Christopher Wren and built from 1664 to 1669 for the University of Oxford. Used for music concerts, lectures and university ceremonies, the building is named after Gilbert Sheldon, Archbishop of Canterbury, the chancellor of the university at the time, and the project's main financial backer. According to Wren's son, the design was inspired by Sebastiano Serlio's 16th century engraving of the D-shaped Theatre of Marcellus erected in Rome in the 1st century BC. The ceiling, partly depicted in this photograph of the theatre's interior, consists of 32 oil-on-canvas panels originally painted by Robert Streater, King Charles II's court painter, and depicts an allegory of truth descending upon the arts and sciences and expelling ignorance from the university. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.